A new Air Jordan capsule is emerging for fall 2025, highlighted by a women's exclusive Air Jordan 4RM featuring luxurious and bold details. Following the recent reveal of Air Jordan 1s adorned with turquoise stones, this Air Jordan 4RM continues the theme, suggesting a wider collection in the works. The design recalls the fan-favorite green glow colorway, with a light gray CROC-SKIN textured mudguard that adds a premium feel. Black plastic overlays, signature to the RM model, introduce a modern, structured contrast. Most strikingly, the tongue and base are embellished with turquoise stones arranged like a jeweled crown, blending elegance with streetwear flair. This release will drop in fall 2025 alongside other women's styles, including several Air Jordan 1 lows. With its distinctive material mix and gemstone accents, this Air Jordan 4RM hints at a broader turquoise-themed capsule likely to expand in the coming months.